Let's go ahead and talk about our weather. We got some big stories to talk about here. And with that, what we're talking about is the potential for a winter storm on the way. Now, winter storm is something that we're going to talk about for Sunday night, Monday, going on into Tuesday. Although we've got a little winter weather before all that happens. We're talking about, as we look to the radar first, not much going on in the MaxTrack Live Doppler at this point. We're talking with that, we may see a little freezing drizzle time pop up a little later on. With that, a little fog may come in as well. That's what we saw this morning, and there were a lot of hassles driving this morning, so be aware something similar may occur come tomorrow morning. Now, as we're looking ahead for you, what we have for you on our headlines, a weak system comes by on Saturday. That's going to be affecting areas mainly to the south and east of Lexington. We're talking toward the Hal Rogers Parkway. A little rain, little freezing rain's a possibility. Then we have another system coming in by Sunday afternoon. That one is the precursor, kind of the opening salvo for the storm that'll be arriving later on. Now, as we talk about the big storm potential for Monday, first of all, we are really confident that there is going to be something here. We're also really confident it's going to be winter weather that's going to be along for the ride. What we are not confident on is what exactly is going to be falling out of the sky at your house. It's going to depend on the storm track. Right now, at this point, everything looks to be of a winter variety. So we're talking freezing rain. Yeah, we could add on to the ice out there. Could be sleet, could be snow. And again, this looks to be a very impactful storm. And following, it's going to be Arctic air. So again, there's a lot of stuff to talk about here. Quick check on the radar. Big picture, not a whole lot going on locally. There's a little snow going up through the Midwest. There's going to be snow in places that don't normally see it. In fact, we go ahead and advance it to the watches that are in place. There are winter storm watches and warnings going all the way into South Texas. There are winter storm watches that are in place in Louisiana and Mississippi, and those do extend up to us here. So this far out, that's what's unusual. Even speaking with the folks at the Weather Service in Louisville, normally a watch is not put out 72 hours in advance, but the confidence in the impact of the storm is high enough that they've gone ahead and done that, and so that's why we're relaying that information to you right now. As we look to the future track, okay, let's go ahead and start you out here. We've got the clouds. Yeah, that's a kind of a no-brainer at this point. Those clouds are going to hang around here for a while. As we get you into the day tomorrow, a little system passes through southeast Kentucky. That's not going to be a big deal. We get ahead and then look towards Sunday, and another system will be arriving in here. That may have a little wintry mix, rain or freezing rain is a possibility with it. But then as we continue on into Monday, you'll see the system coming out of Texas, out of the Gulf Coast, and then out toward the Ohio Valley. Freezing rain, sleet, and snow are going to be a big part of the system as it works its way to the northeast. All righty. As we talk about temperatures, well, they haven't moved much today. We're sitting in the mid to upper 20s pretty much everywhere you look. Some folks still flirting with that 30-degree mark. And in Lexington, those temperatures are going to hold pretty steady through the next several hours. But the thing is, we're not above freezing, and we're not getting there anytime soon. So your forecast for tonight. Sky will end up being cloudy. A little freezing drizzle is a possibility, a little fog. Overnight lows will drop down to the low 20s. Your day tomorrow, let's go with a sky that's cloudy, a little light rain or freezing rain, especially southeast, but it's a small chance. Temperatures will top out near freezing. The forecast for you as we look out in time. Monday is the day that we are looking at that storm coming with a little wintry mix possible on Sunday. Monday, again, snow, ice likely, ending as cold snow on Tuesday. Wednesday, maybe a little bit of a lull, and another system may arrive here by Thursday. That's a lot of weather to talk about. Again, thanks to the folks out here at Hartfield & Company. I'm Chief Meteorologist Bill Mack.